Every cycle reveals a handful of projects that quietly build in the background, underestimated and overlooked, until the moment comes when they explode into the spotlight. The common thread is always the same: strong fundamentals, a powerful narrative, and institutional backing that signals where the smart money is moving. I believe one of those projects right now is Ondo Finance. The world is moving toward tokenization at an accelerated pace. In fact, the Vice Chair for Supervision at the Federal Reserve, Michelle Bowman, recently declared that regulators must abandon their overly cautious mindset. She emphasized that blockchain brings speed, safety, and operational efficiency to financial systems, and she acknowledged that tokenization solves real problems that traditional infrastructure struggles with. When the Federal Reserve itself starts signaling support for blockchain innovation, it's clear that the environment for institutional adoption is shifting. And see, this isn't just talk from regulators. Across the US, tokenization is becoming a priority. SEC leadership has begun mobilizing to take the lead in crypto regulation, while major fintech companies are entering the space with significant resources. Even the largest asset managers in the world, including BlackRock's Larry Fink, have been vocal that the future lies in tokenizing everything. From bonds and treasuries to real estate and equities, every form of financial asset will migrate on-chain. The question is, which projects will be positioned to capture that wave? That's exactly where Ondo Finance comes in. Ondo has positioned itself as the bridge between traditional finance and blockchain by bringing tokenized US treasuries, bonds, and institutional-grade products directly on-chain. It gives investors access to real yield through tokenized assets while maintaining the transparency and efficiency of blockchain. With these fundamentals, Ondo isn't just riding the tokenization wave, it's building the rails for it. Today, Ondo trades at just 90 cents. After the market correction of the last 24 hours, the price slipped below $1 again, offering the kind of discount that long-term investors wait for. Personally, I've been accumulating Ondo from much lower levels. I've invested over $100,000 into this project already, and every time I see the price under $1, I add more to my Ondo bag. For me, anything under $1 is deep value territory, and I plan to keep dollar cost averaging as long as that opportunity remains. Despite the price pullback, the chart looks incredibly healthy. Consolidation in this zone is setting the stage for a major leg up. Ondo is not just another token in the market, it's the undisputed king of real-world assets in crypto. The partnerships it has secured are significant, and behind those partnerships lies strong institutional support. That institutional angle is critical, because when the adoption wave accelerates, it won't be retail driving the narrative, it will be large financial institutions. Ondo is perfectly aligned with that trend. Think back to what happened with XRP. For years, it sat in consolidation, ignored and underestimated. Then, almost overnight, it erupted with a massive leg up. I see Ondo preparing for that same kind of move. It's building quietly, it's forming partnerships, and it's positioning itself as the go-to platform for tokenized assets. When the tipping point arrives, the repricing will be sudden and dramatic. At 90 cents, this is a generational discount. In my view, Ondo is drastically undervalued compared to its fundamentals, its partnerships, and the level of institutional adoption that is clearly coming. At the peak of this cycle, I believe Ondo can reach a $50 to $100 billion market cap. As I always remind myself, the best opportunities don't scream, they whisper. And the whisper of Ondo Finance under $1 may turn out to be the loudest roar of this entire cycle. Dr. Money Glitcher.